most respected teacher and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is my favorite personality is Saint G.M. Sayyid. Who was a G.M. Sayyid? G.M. Sayyid, nationalist leader of Sindh. G.M. Sayyid, who was born on 17 January 1904 in Sun district, Dadu, now Damshur. And he was Pacific writer, intellectual, and outstanding scholar. He started his political career in 1920 when he organized a Khilafat conference at his village Sun in 1937. He was first elected as a member of Sindh Legislative Assembly in 1938. He joined All Indian Muslim League and Minister of Education of Sindh in 1940. In 1943, he became President of Muslim League. He has afforded resolution was passed by Sindh Assembly in favor of establishment of Pakistan. He resigned from Muslim League He resigned from Muslim League in 1946 and formed a new party. He served as a chairman of Sindhi Advi Board in 1944. He was the first to become a political prisoner after the creation of Pakistan in 1948. G.M. Sayyid said, I took forward to such a मां एड़ी फतेह जो मुंतज़िर आया जेम से तो मां एड़ी फतेह जो मुंतज़िर आया जेका सदन जी शिकस्त जा दाग धोई छड़ी 32 years point noted 32 years 10 months 21 days of imprisonment for the crime of love and freedom with Sindh great leader Saint G.M. Sayyid. My favorite personality, the founder of modern nationalism, the creator of ideology of freedom, and the leader of Sindh, great thinker, the leader of the revolution, G.M. Sayyid. He was also the author of 60 books, and numerous subjects, religions, from literature to politics, religions and culture. The famous quotation of Saint G.M. Sayyid is that Sindh is not just a piece of land. It is an identity, a culture, a symbol of peace and tolerance. सिंधुर्गो ज़मीन जो टुकड़ो नाए सिंधुर्गे ज़मीन जो टुकड़ो नाए पर अमन ऐं रवादारी जी अलामत ऐं सकाफ़त आहे. Now I will read some lines written by the youth poet of my country means Sindh, for Saint G.M. Sayyid. जेपल पेजी भूल बणी हु आयो हो, जेपल पेजी भूल बणी हु आयो हो, हिकड़ो पूरो दौर खणी हु आयो हो, धरतीअ जी मर्यादा खे मोटाइण लाइ, धरतीअ जी मर्यादा खे मोटाइण लाइ, धरतीअ जो थी पाण घणी हु आयो हो, तूफाननि जी अख में कंडो, तूफान जी ॻाल्हि वणी हु आयो हो, कारून जर जी कद खां मुठ मथे माण्हू, कारून जर जी कद खां मुठ मथे माण्हू, मारून जे थी पेर पणी हु आयो हो, धरतीअ जी मर्यादा खे मोटाइण लाइ, धरतीअ जो थी पाण घणी हु आयो हो, वणवण माथे वाह वसियो हु आयो हो, छपरनि माथे छांव छणी हु आयो हो.